So, this quick section, we're going to go over data insertion to the database. So first of all, we're going to download the data from data.gov, then clean it, and then connect to database. Connect to database, insert the data, and then close the database. Okay. First we're going to download data. So for the data, you wanna go to just a sample of data, and I found this data on data.gov, which is popular baby name. I found pretty interesting. So yeah, you can download any sort of data. So I just choose that one. Okay, I'm going to leave the link on the description below. Okay, after we download data, we want to clean it and then insert it to database. What I mean by clean it is remove any duplication, empty cells. Um, this data must be already clean, but we just got to go through the process. We never know, so yeah. And we're going to be using Python for this cleaning and insertion to the database. My database, I'm using MySQL. So right here, I have my SQL database running. So yeah, okay. For the data, I already downloaded and I have it right here. Popular baby names. So with that data, we're going to go over and then try to connect to the database first before we can move forward. All right, how do we connect to the database? So first of all, you need the host or the password, like of the credential, and the server names and all of that. So before you do anything, we have to make sure we have the MySQL connector. And to do that, you want to type it any Python package management that you have. So you go to pip install. Sorry about that. Install MySQL connector, mm, MySQL connector. Show Python. I already have installed, so just gonna go through the process here. Okay. Okay, you need more to restore your computer. Okay, I already installed it, so I don't have to restore it in my computer. If you just install it, just make sure you reinstall it for the test environment for the IDE to take account of those changes. If you wonder which type of IDE I'm using, right now I'm using a Spider, is the one that I used in my last classes for my computer courses. So yeah, we can use any type of IDE. It should do the work perfectly. Okay, now we need to connect to the database and then start to do some real work. So first of all, you need to import the connector that you install. Let's say import MySQL dot connector, and that's all you need. And we need to connect to database. I need one more thing. I need to import OS. So yeah, I will explain that later. Okay, import the OS. All right. Now we need to create our database. So um, we're going to create the cursor that we're going to use to interact with the database. First, so we need to access the database. So let's suppose my data, my DB, so say my DB equal uh my database. Okay, my DB equal my SQL dot connector, my SQL dot connector, and then I'm going to add all the credential data we need. So let's go. Let's make the designation properly. Okay. First we need a host, and to get the host, I put a variable just for just security reason. So where's the key at env, you can just type it directly. Like you have the host, or there is a local host or IP something, and then you got the IP. Like I have my own environment variable, so I can always get env, and the host name is database database name. That's what I use. Kind of creepy name though. Oh yeah, doesn't matter. And then next, we need the user. Which user are you going to use to get access to the database? Get env, right? Env, and yeah, and then the username. I'm using the roots. It's something I should be doing. So that's just simple database. So I'm not worrying about any security risk, anything like that. After the host, so you need the password for the username you are using, and my password is in environment variable. So like get env and the password. I think okay, I messed up a little bit. Okay, it's the database name. Okay, database name. All right. This one, you know what? We don't need this one. Just for localhost. Okay, localhost. It's just localhost is fine. If you have any specific host, then put it there. It's fine. And lastly, I don't have a database yet. I'm going to create it right here. Okay. Let's run this and then see what we get. If we get any errors, that means we might make some error, we might make some typo in here. Okay, everything should be fine. Let's go ahead and run this real quick. Invalid. Okay, something's wrong. What did I messed up? Okay. But where's okay, host. Okay. Oh, sorry. This value shouldn't be like that. Should be okay. No, this is fine. It should be equal, I guess. Yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and fix all of that. Like it should be equal. So just the argument of the function connector. Okay, equal, and that should be good. Module object is not callable. What did I mess it up again? Connector was oh yeah, connector dot connect. Oh, sorry. Ah man, not easy. Huh? Not connected. Anyway, I can name the file for okay. Something up again. I don't have any variable for local host. Okay, let's clean that up. Okay. And then say local host. Local host. All right. And I need the port to host and then the ports. The port is an environment variable. Env. Sorry, env. Make it a typo today, huh? Okay. Ports. The name is a port. All right. All right. Everything should go fine now. I said deny for user. The user's was I don't know why it's deny for the user. OBC the localhost. Oh, sorry. There's no any username for root in my variable. I don't know where did he get that one. All right, let's clean this one's up too. It should be env. It should be just roots. That's all. Roots. That should be fine now. All right. I think the connection was successful. And I can see it here. Let's clean up this. Let's create my cursor. Uh, Okay. We're going to create a cursor which equal my db dot cursor cursor. Okay, great. But I need to add one more thing. We need to code this database in case we forgot. It's just best practice when using Python and then all that. Okay. Um, so it should be like my cursor dot close. I'm not so sure, but let's just write it out. I don't know. My cursor dot close. Yeah. Let's run and see if it's working. I don't know if it's the right center. Okay, I guess it's working. Okay, good. So from here, we need to create a. Okay, that's the asset to the database that we have access to it, and yeah, we're going to insert it that way. But before we need the data, we don't know what kind of data we have to create the right table for the database. So we're going to leave this up here and we're going to import pandas because that's what we're going to use to clean up our data. Okay, import pandas as ed. There we go. That's pretty nice. All right. Uh, okay, you know what? We're going to push this one down. All right, there we go. From here, we need to have data frame equal pd.read. We're going to read CSV file, right? CSV, because the data we download from the data.gov is a CSV file, and then the name was okay. You know what? I'm gonna copy it right here, and we go back to Spider, and then we just paste it here. And don't forget to plug in the CSV comma separated file. No, comma separated values. Sorry. All right, that's it. Okay, now we have the file. Then let's just go ahead and print and see what we have inside that file to get an idea of the table that we're going to create. Okay, print a DF. All right. Oh, all right. Okay, we're going to run this real quickly and see. Okay. Okay, we have a year of birth, gender, and counter. We don't have all of it. Okay, you know what? We're going to put the tails, no go, the head. Okay, and okay, and then we're going to have to string to print the entire things. String, right? Oh, let's go ahead and run and see what we got. Okay, there we go. Now we have just the head. Okay, just explain what it. The head just printed the five first row. We still have 0, 1, 2, and then 4. So from 0, so we got those 5. And then to string, we're going to print the entire tables. Like we won't have this dot thing there. So we have the years, birth, year of birth, gender, ethnicity, type of first name, count, or rank. All right. I think it's not bad. Yes. Yeah. All right. Now we're going to create our database, a table in our database. So let's have this SQL statement equal, and then let's just write this. Okay. Okay. Tabula. Great. Okay. We're going to create a table. What will be the name? Table. Let's try to find one. Okay. Let's say baby name. Okay. Oh, first we need to create a database, right? Create database. Create database. And then we're gonna call it like let's use like a baby name database. Okay. So I'm messing up with those apps. Okay. So, okay. Baby. Let's say baby. Okay. Baby. Create database. Baby. Right. Okay. My cursor dot executes SQL. Okay. That's it. It's kind of like I'm getting something wrong. This red dot here. Let's run and then we'll see what's wrong. Okay, my cursor is not defined. Okay, okay, my cursor should be like right cursor. Right, there you go. What's wrong with this? Okay, I'm gonna get in the whole thing twice. Let's run and see what we got. Mess something up. My cursor executes. Oh, should be like a E in there. Okay, execute. I should go. Right, I think that works. Okay, now let's go ahead and show the database, right? I'm going to show database and see if we really create our database. Show databases. There we go. Let's command there. That's fine. Go to result. Result found. Okay, maybe it's just little. Uh, show database. Show database. What am I getting wrong? Real result found. Papa. You know what? Why don't we go to the bench and then find it out? All right, let's see. Show databases. Exactly. This one is we have a baby. Oh, so right here. Why is it not working in Python? Huh? It's kind of weird. Okay, it doesn't matter. We have a database. Let's clean it up. Now we're going to create a real table. We're going to create table, create tables, create tables. You know what? Let's go capital. Okay, that's kind of standard things in SQL. So MySQL. Okay. Create tables. Create tables. And from here, we're going to create all sort of thing. Okay. You know what? Let's comment this out first. We're gonna comment this out. Should we comment this out? There you go. We're going to run it. Okay, I still need those names. All right. You know what? Let's do it here. It's more clean to do it right here. I'm using those Python thing to insert the data a little bit faster instead of inserting with this one. I don't know how I'm going to connect to a CVS file from here, so maybe there's a method to do it better. For right now, I'm not to that one. I'm going to use Python. It's more fast. So we're going to create a database right here inside the server. I mean, from the GUI server, something like that. I don't know if they call it. Okay, I'm going to create a table. Create tables. All right, create tables. So baby name. What's what gonna got? Baby name. All right. Then it's much more easier. 1 to 15 should be enough for a name. And lastly, we have a count. Okay. Count is like a reserve word. So let's count like put value at the end and then put an ends. And that should be all we need. Let's run this query if I don't. If I messed up somewhere. Okay. Let's run it. Oh, create table. Yeah. Okay. No data. Okay. How to set the database first. Okay. Let's go up here. And then we tell him to use baby. Use baby. That's our database, right? Use that one and then create the table. Okay. Now let's run our show database. Okay, let's go back to Python things. Okay, you know what? We're going to show the database, store the tables. Okay, now I guess let's try to insert some value into it and see if it's working. Okay, and to use again, that's our database name. Use baby and insert into yeah, insert in, we're gonna put it here. Let's just say none. And it's just dummy data, okay? So let's put none, right? None, none, okay. And then put some random value in there just to make sure not messed up with the original data, okay? And next, we're going to have we have a name and then counter. Let's say some big value okay, and then come at the and then run and see what we got. What am I getting wrong? Is it me or is this thing? Okay, let's see. How do we create a table in the first place? Create table baby names. Okay, let's use those capital letters and then see the value. So that's what is causing the problem. Okay, let's run this and then see what we got. Okay, seem like everything's working fine. I went quick here and then run some describe on our baby table right here. You can see that, and then you can see uh all of the like the table schema. Okay, we have one variable name, so I didn't see the, and then we have all the type and then no square. Yes, I didn't put any restriction on those data forms. So yeah, that's a quick overview. Okay, let's move on. From now, we can go to MySQL thing and then start running our values. Okay, insert. I'm going to go with values. Okay, let's grab the columns. Okay, Sorry, I'm singing this. I forgot I'm doing some work here. Kind of funny. Okay. We're going to choose all or since year. We have 30 year. Year. Okay. Year birth. That's what I put on there. Let's see. Let's go ahead and see your schema. Okay. Birth year. Okay. So let's make is it birth year or year of birth? So kind of confused. Okay. Birth year. Okay. Birth year. Send that right. You know what? Maybe I don't need all of this, right? Let's just make it right here. Okay, that's it. And then we need the value, which we're going to call it data. But there's one problem here because our data will be in sort of array things. So we need to get it like we have to go through the data in form of a loop. And I'm going to call it the data in form of dictionary. Okay, I don't know if that makes sense. So it's, we need to drop one columns from this data, like a rank. We don't need that one. So I'm going to go ahead and then drop that little quick here. Okay. I'm going to say df equal df dot drop. I guess this is the right way to do it. Okay. To say drop. Okay. Drop label instance columns. Okay. I'm going to drop the columns. Let's say columns. Columns equals the column names. It's a rank. I don't want that one. Okay. Let's say rank. Rank. That's it. Jobs column rank. Let's close in parenthesis. And I'm gonna go ahead and run and see if this rank goes away or not. Okay, it indeed did. All right, great. Let's move on. Now we have our data, and then we need a dictionary of this data. So we don't want to have like a data frame on that. So let's see. Let's call it data, and let's say equal to df dot to dictionary to dict, right? And then what's the data is f, and we need it to be, it should have like a it says index string. Okay, orient, we need that argument to be less, I guess. Yeah, that's the right way to put it. Is it less? Okay, so print the div the whole thing. Let's do like a head. Okay, the 10 first values, so 5 values. All right, let's try to print that and see what we got. Data, and then run it by multiple value for arguments. Audience. Okay, that's my fault. Okay, oh, okay. Let's remove this one. I don't need to put it in the frame on it. Okay, so next, and that should be fine. Okay, we got the whole data. Huh? Yeah, you don't have to cut it off. Let's put that dot head, make sure it's working right. And then let's just clean this up. Run. Perfect, perfect, perfect. That's what I want. Gender, one, gender of the list, and gender, birth years, and all of that. That's great. So in here, we need our values to be, we call that data. I already have one data here. That should be this one. Okay, see data to insert. Data to insert, data to insert. And then here is, okay, let's call it data, it's fine. Sorry, data. And right here, we call it values. Value, okay, value. Shit. Value. Values equal. See value. I'm going to run a loop which will get each value from this list of things. And from there, we're going to go over. You know what? Let's go ahead and do some cleanup with the data first, okay? Just right here after we take out the green columns, so we're going to clean up data real quick. It's a df equal. We're going to remove any empty cell. Okay, the df dot uh, job and yeah, that's right. And after we drop that, we're going to remove any duplication. The df. You can see that I'm retyping df actually every time because those the function will return a new data frame, which it won't modify the original. I can put like a there are some argument in there. I can put like a in place and then it will update the original data. But I don't want that. I just want to write it that way. This way, it's more simple for me. That's my preference. You can do whatever you want. All right. And then df dot remove duplication. Okay. Drop duplicates. Drop duplicates. Okay. That's what I want. Okay. Drop duplicates and let's run and see if there's any errors or something like that. Okay. I think everything's fine. Yeah, we have a list and all of that. Okay, great. Now we're going to go over and then create these values in the bottom here. I'm thinking about the right way to do it. Let's write values. Let's clean up this up. Let's clean this up. Okay, right here, let's still go with the head. That will give me a better idea for what are the columns that I need to put into my database. And we'll change this later, okay? Let's just put header here and just like that, okay? Then run it. Yeah, with the print, sorry. Okay, prints. Yeah. All right. You can go ahead and remove it. I already got what you want. Just remove this and remove the print cell. I don't need it. That's what I need. Okay, here we're going to run it for loop since there's a multiple entry like record in our data. So we're going to like go for a and let's say in we're going to put like a one data set like one dictionary. We have a dictionary. We take one values. A key. We have like this one. We have like year of birth, and then the key is a list of values. So we're going to pick one key and then try to use that one. Okay. In a data, in data, and then let's say, you know what? Let's use counts. It's more simple. Don't write loud name in here. Okay, I say counts. Let's say that. Let's say the count first name and then counts. That's right. Comma, and there we go. And you know what data will be? Now we have our values equal values. We're going to use those three. Like it should be comma. Let's see. The value should be in the triple or in the list. Any even like a triple. Triple should be fine. Yeah, triple. Yeah, let's go with triple and let's see what we got. Let's see what we can go back and then fix anytime. Fix again and then run again. We are still learning, right? So no pressure. Okay, values, and then we're going to grab the first values with the key being is a database. Here we have birth, and that birth should be this one. So we're going to just copy this guy. B. I don't want to type this one. I can make a typo in there, and I don't want that. Equal data. This is the data, right? Data comma. And I'm sorry, then we're going to post this one there. And then we got the first values. How does that going to come out? Anyway, I'm not so sure what we're gonna get. I'm not really. And then, okay, we have the key, and then we're gonna get the value. So the value is the list. So we're gonna get the first one, like the E. All right. Okay. Is that going to come like 1 1 or 2 2? These counts. Hmm. Okay. You know what? Let's say equal range. Okay. Range. Oh, sorry about that. Range, and then say length of this. There's, I don't think that makes sense, but I think it should. So it's not the perfect optimized code, but it should do the trick. Let's try to print the values and see what we got. Okay, print, what's the values? Okay, let's see what we got. Let's see if it's working. Yo, bros. Okay, I'll make it typo. Let's set on my typo and then make it even by copying. That's too bad. Okay, I think it's working. Okay, great, great, great. Awesome, awesome. Okay, here we go. Let's, oh shit. Okay, let's go up. So need the header. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, okay, that's it. And let's clean it up. 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 Still need the header again. Clean it up. Well, this thing's taking long. It's fun. It doesn't matter. I'm learning. You guys are learning, and that make me feel good. So let's print this and print it again. This time I'm gonna leave it until I finish. Okay. I don't have to come back and then retype all of this. Okay, great. Now, the first values, I need the second one. You know what? We're gonna copy this guy and then paste it just to make it fast. We have how many columns? One, two, three, four. Okay, we got two, three, and then we need the fourth. And the second one should be like this one, gender. Let's copy and then paste it over here. Gender paste, paste. Okay. Stay here. Gender, the second one should be ethnicity. The I think typing is more fast, I guess. It's kind of weird. Okay. Then the last one should be okay. Okay, this one is a long one. You know what? Look up here. I don't want to make any typo on that. Soft copy. And I'll paste it right there. Okay, now I'm going to print the first one and then print the values. And then I'm going to break the loop. I don't want it to go over all of those values. Let's just we're gonna break it right here. Yes, and if that's the right syntax, right? Great. Yeah. Is it gonna work? I don't know. Do you have a break like that, Python? Oh, it worked. No, 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 no. Okay. What am I doing? Okay, here you go. 2011 female. Okay, you can see here it's the first one, second, let's get female, and for the ethnicity, we have Spanish, and first name we have Geraldine. That's the name. I don't know how to say it. So we have one value that we haven't accounted for, so it was five. Sorry. Okay. No, sorry. It's not. Yeah, that was this one. It's P this and we need what we got. There we go. We'll run a extra word. Perfect. Perfect. Now we have a data we need to execute. How do we execute? Pretty simple. We need to take this off and take this break to off. All right. Now look at right. Okay, let's go a little bit down here for indentation. Make it a little bit clean good. Okay, right here we need to type my cursor, all of that cursor that executes. First, we need the SQL string, and then next we need the value, which will be our data values. I think that's all we need, and at the end we need to commit, right? Okay, my cursor dot commit dot commit. It's not commit like that. Yeah, commit, right? You don't have any commit. Yeah, it's kind of uh, hard coding to the database. If you do it as is still in memory, something like that. I guess. Yeah, so let's just put down there. Just syntax thing. Okay. Now we need to get out, and we already did here. Let's just clean this up. All right. Let's do this thing. Okay, let's do run and see what we I don't want to mess up with my database. Everything should be fine, right? Okay, let's run it. Oh, not all parameters were used in the SQL statement. Huh, we missed something. Let's go to our table thing and see what we missed. The first name, count, first name, gender. Okay, let's see. Am I missing something? Right here in a code. Sorry. Okay, let's go to our spiders. What do we miss? Okay. Birthday, gender, ethnicity, count. We have five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, not all were used in the SQL statement. Okay, am I missing something? Am I missing something? I don't think so. Hmm. Am I really missing something? You know what? Let's go to this. Small things are more cleaner here. And then run something like statement, see what we got. Okay. Then let's go select everything from the table and run it. Okay. Select, okay, from baby name. Okay. Limit to, we're going to limit it to 5 record. That's pretty good. It's a good record. And then run it. Yeah, none. Huh, it's not working. He didn't do it. All right. Okay. No. Yeah, something's wrong with my this SQL statement. I use the baby name insert to the table. Those are the columns, but I don't have the values. That's what I missed. So I'm gonna go ahead and the values in here, values, and sure, like percent type in there, and we have 5 of them. So print type and percent, percentage s again, percentage s again. Should be 5. Okay, we're not yet. I think we're there now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, sorry, space. No, 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 no. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's run again. It should work now. It should. Let's clean this up. Run. Nope. You don't have an error in your SQL statement. Check the menu for this one. Okay. What? Wait, I miss Spanish. The Jordan. That's the line one. Okay. Okay. I messed up something. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Let's just screw this up and let's see what we got. This one again. It's not working. What did I miss? Okay. You know what? I see what the problem is. So, okay, it's a near gender, right? So it should be one here. It's here, right? Birth year is not. I make a typo. That's why I like paste it. Okay, that's one now. Wow, another one. Oh, you know what? It's just statement, near gender. Okay, perfect. Let's go to the scheme and see. This is our table. BER year. Okay, let's come back here. BER. Okay, let's take capital Y, capital letter. Wow, still, I don't get this one. Oh my god, I'm gonna fix this. Birth year, gender, birth. Oh, okay, it's a BRT. Okay, listen, guy, you guys gotta bear with me. I don't know what the heck is going on here. You know what? Why don't you copy this guy? I don't know if I can copy it and then paste it here because I can't seem to find the errors. Something's wrong. Yes, it's not first, huh? Something's wrong. Insert to baby names. Is it baby names? Okay. Huh. It's not baby names, it's baby name. Let's run it out and see what we got. Wow, still an error. Create table. Oh, look at that, what I'm doing. It's not create table, it's insert. Oh my god. Damn it. Inserts into. It's kind of funny. But damn it. No, no data is selected. It's fine. You can just select one. Um, just say that. We're going to copy this one, execute, document. Let's just execute this one. We, I guess we can put this after the loop, but I don't know. You know what? Let's keep it that way. It's fine. Okay, I'm going to use the database. Use a database. Database. It's just like a baby name. Okay, baby name. Oh no, it's baby. It's not. This time. Let's see what we got. When I check the menu, baby name. Okay. Server version of the center to use a new database. Okay, maybe the database is not it's not the right one. Let me see which database we're using. Okay, use baby. Okay, baby. It's like baby. So, mhm, use database baby. Okay, you know what's fine. That one's fine. Should work. It's fine. But right here, just take this off. Okay, I could still put it here, but you know what's fine. You know what? That's what we're gonna do. Let's just take this off. And then put it here. So database, okay? Database equal syntax errors. 99 syntax. Database, like the baby. Let's see. Okay, everything should work now. No count in the field list. Huh. Oh my god. Okay, this is not making a typo here. Okay, let's run it right now. Okay, count is not field list. In the field list. Hmm. That's interesting. Let's go here. Let's see. Oh, count value. Um, value. MySQL just had new attribute commits. Wow. Maybe it's not this one. It should be the database. That's why I'm saying that I can take it off and then put it just after. Okay, I think it's the MD document. The database itself. It's my DB, my DB document. Oh, that's it. Yeah. I'm just on the whole thing. Okay, well, first, before we run it, make sure I'm not messing up with data. So we're going to check all the data that we inserted to the database. Oh, that's what is that thing? Okay, let's put this up. Okay, select from the table, which is a baby names. And then we're going to limit it to 5 values, no more than that. Okay. And so limit our table, baby name does not exist. From the select baby name. Okay, yes, turn this up. You know what? Maybe I'm taking the wrong table. Baby name. All right, let's just baby name. Let's execute this one. Okay. So it didn't work. So we can run this one now. Okay. Whew. Oh hell, I messed up. I really messed up. This one is the header. We don't want this one. Okay. I'm gonna clean this data up. Okay. Let's run this again. Okay. See, now we have a bunch of data. Now we all have the first four values. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know why we have that? We have these header things. Now we have to go. Yeah, that we're gonna do. We have the first four. Let's just take this off. And then from here, we're gonna do something special here, you know? Okay. You say if, okay, if, if, then we already have the first four values. We say if A, okay, we say if A equal, okay, it's less than 3, okay, it's less than 3, just continue, okay, continue, continue. Else, because those values start from 0, okay, no, it should be 4 then, no, it should be 5, no, 4, okay. So then 4, because when it's the 4 one, then we already in the other one, okay. Elsa equal this. Wow, this is genius. I mean, yeah, maybe not. Okay, let's run this again. All right, this is perfect. Okay, Now let's go ahead and then run this damn thing. See what we got. Okay, I think everything is fine. Now everything is inserted into a database, and then we have a nice clean data inserted into a database. In next section, we will go over how do we pull those data. We're going to pull the data from the SQL database and then insert into Excel. We're going to use a Power Query and we're going to do some analysis from the data. It will be it will be cool. Oh, okay. So I'm going to leave it there.